Welcome back to Tour the World. In our recent videos, we explored the stunning cities of Gdansk and Warsaw in Poland, showcasing their remarkable architecture with real drone footage. If you haven't seen them yet, head over to our YouTube channel now. So far, our journey has taken us through 6 to 7 countries: Finland, Sweden, Estonia, Iceland, Switzerland, Poland, and UAE. Today, join us on a day trip to Istanbul, Turkey, the largest city in the country. We started our adventure at the Bosphorus Sea, enjoying a scenic cruise through Istanbul. The city's skyline, featuring landmarks like Dolmabahce Palace and the Bosphorus Bridge, offers breathtaking views from the water. For a special experience, consider renting a private yacht and savoring delicious food with sunset vistas. Fishing and water sports are popular activities here, and charming neighborhoods like Ortaköy and Bebek offer local markets, cafes, and shops to explore. Don't miss the chance to ride a traditional Turkish boat called a stanbul for a truly unique experience. The housing architecture near the Bosphorus blends historical elegance with modern styles. Wooden mansions known as yali, dating back to the Ottoman era, coexist with contemporary apartments and luxury villas, all boasting stunning Bosphorus views. Nearby countryside towns like Heybeliada and Burgazada on the Prince's Islands provide a serene escape with lush landscapes and historic charm. Explore these towns by bike or horse-drawn carriage for a taste of local culture. As night falls, we headed to Galata Bridge, where the city lights up the night. Bustling restaurants offer seafood and Turkish dishes amidst the shimmering sea, creating a mesmerizing scene. From there, our drone flies over historic neighborhoods to the majestic Fatih Mosque, a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture. Its grand domes and minarets stand proudly, embodying Istanbul's rich history and cultural heritage. The original mosque was constructed between 1463 and 1470 on the site of the Church of the Holy Apostles. It is named after the Ottoman Sultan Mehmed, the conqueror who conquered Constantinople in 1453. He is also known as Fatih Sultan Mehmed. Before we conclude, let's not forget Beyoğlu, renowned for Istiklal Street's lively atmosphere. Shops, cafes, and the iconic Galata Tower, with its breathtaking city views, add to the vibrant nightlife of Istanbul. It was just 2 kilometers from Galata Bridge on the European side. With this, we wrap up our Istanbul adventure. Stay tuned for our next video as we explore Bursa and other countryside towns in Turkey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tour the World.